Let's go ahead and just look at this one together. Sorry, it's over here. Okay. All right. So these are all things you know. Aaron. All right, you guys already know this. Poly. Where do you see that root word? Poly. Give me another word that has poly in it. Polygram. Polygraph. Anyone else? Polynomial. Poly is part of polynomials. Poly what? Polytonic? Polyatomic? So like a molecule? More than one element? Great. Still know something. All right. Polytheism, like the Greek, kind of like Greek gods. Polytheism, more than one god. Polyamory, right? It's when more than two people are in a love situation. Whoa. Just got steamy. PG-13. Moving on. Monomial. Mono instead of stereo. If you only have one, you only have one sound, so stereo. Binomial. Bicycle. Right? Two terms. Trinomial. Tricycle. That's how I remember these things. Easy. You guys all know this. Thumbs up, sideways down for this stuff. Probably for everything. Okay. So looking down here, like terms, you just got to remember, same exponent, same degree, okay? Examples, x squared, 5x squared, so you're looking at the exponent. These are constants, so they'll align. First power, they're going to align. And what was this number right here? What's that 5 called? Coefficient. I had that up there, didn't I? Okay, quadratics, we've been talking a lot about them. You're already quadratic ninjas. You got your black belt. We just have to remember some basics. Here, the highest exponent is 2. Okay? If it's a long term, a long line of terms in a polynomial, it could have this, right? X to the third plus 5x squared plus 7x plus 3. Which term do I have to erase, tell your neighbor, in order to make that a quadratic? Which term do I need to get rid of? Hey, neighbor. This might be hard to see because of this. Is that better? Okay. All right, which one do I have to erase? X to the third power, because we know in descending order, we always do the exponents. Second power, first power, constant. If one's missing, you still do it in the order. Assuming it's there, you just leave it out. Okay. So a quadratic has a second power. Okay, that's all. That's the main thing. It's an expression, if there's no equal sign, that limits what we can do. We couldn't find the roots for this. We could factor it. We could do some things. But you cannot solve for x because we don't have an x is equal to anything. Over here, you could solve for x, an equation. It does allow us to solve for x because you can make x equal to something. Yep. Just make it. Just do it. All right, now we're going to actually share some of our game madness with the people at home. Never get to see the games. Never get to see it. All right, here's how the game's going to work. I'm going to ask one person, throw the ball. If the ball lands right here, right, we're going to, okay, wait, let me pause it. We have visitors. The way this game works, hello? Oh, it's playing. Wow. That's nice. What is one thing somebody could say if the ball landed here? What's one thing someone could say? Davis. It's an expression. What's someone else? Binomial. You see how there's two different options there? Okay. So this is the way it'll work. If Amy threw it right here and it bounced here, we all look at this and we decide what we're going to say without talking to our neighbors. And then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and everyone together is going to yell it out what they think it is. If your team all happen to yell the same term, then you guys are going to get 1 point. You got to keep track of your own points. The winner at the end are going to get starbursts if they're the winning team. If you get it right in the middle, you get 5 points automatically, and you get 5 starbursts for your team. All right, you see? So we're going to throw it, we're going to land, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then we're all going to yell it, and you got to see if your team all have the same term. Don't turn to your team and say, binomial. Don't do that. Don't do that. You want to throw it first? All right, here we go. Oh! All right, this is what we're looking at right here. On 3, we're going to yell it. 1, 2, 3.
Trinomial.
All right. Check with your neighbors. Who got the points? Raise your hand if you said the same thing.
What'd you say? Oh, you did?
All right. Raise your hand if your team got it all the same. Do we have a all the same? Oh, we got to do a power clap on 3 then. 1, 2, 3. Woo. All right. Everyone has 1 point.
Yeah. These are the 60-year ones.
Yes. All right. Who's next?
Years.
Omar.
Right.
Whoops. Sorry. Let's see what you get. That's a reason because I couldn't tell.
Whatever year they're at, that one.
Ooh, now I have to write it over. Thanks a lot. All right, everybody see this one here? Okay, yell it out on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Trinomial.
I heard some different things. Check with your groups. Who got them all the same? All right, let's hear the different things that were said. I heard equation. What else was said? What else could it be identified as? Trinomial. What else? Someone could have said quadratic, I guess. Okay, raise your hand if your team got the points for that one. We have a couple teams. 3 teams got it. Okay, so you guys have 2 points now. All right, we'll play just a couple rounds. I just think it's to see that it has 2 different names, and that's okay. But we're going with the randomness here as well.
I heard the
Broke it again. Where was it? Here? All right. All right, decide. Don't look at the neighbor. Don't do it. 3, 2, 1.
monomial. I said it wrong.
Okay, so I heard monomial. What else did I hear? Anybody else have another? Expression. Okay, check with your group. See if you got the point.
Big brain.
All right, raise your hand if you got the point. All right, power clap on 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was a double power clap. We had Q2. Double power clap on 3. 1, 2, 3. Who's next? All right. Eesh. You're next. Oh.
I wanted to hit
I think that was this one, man. Okay. Decide what it is. Look at your terms. On 3, name it. 1, 2, 3.
binomial.
Ooh, I heard different things there. I definitely heard different things. Check with your neighbors. I know I heard different things somewhere over here.
Yeah. Big brains.
Big brain.
Big brain. It's Violet. Oh, Violet always says big brain.
All right, raise your hand if your team got the full points. I know I heard different words, though. You guys didn't? You guys didn't? All right, so some of you didn't get it either. Okay.
We're
All right. All right, keep track of your own score. Go for it. You can win everybody right now. Oh, that is. Oh.
Okay,
I like how
this is the
entertained you
one.
are. That's good. All right, you got this one? All right, on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Trinomial.
It is an equation. It's also a trinomial. It's also quadratic. So check with your group. Who got that point?
Good job. Good job.
All right, let's see the point total. What's your total? 5. What's your total? 3. 4. 5. 3. 2. Okay, we got 5s. We got 4, 3, 2. Let's see. We'll do 2 more rounds. Who's gonna throw it? Whoops. Nah, that's not a whoops. Ooh. That's good. Did you hit Rhea in the head as well? That's why I went to the side. Stand up. Are you okay? Yeah, that wasn't. Ooh. Yeah. All right. Look where it is. What is that? All right. 1, 2, 3.
Monomial.
Ooh, I heard constant and monomial. Those are 2 things that are correct. This is a constant and a monomial. See if you got your points.
We did.
Hey, just playing the game.
I love it.
All right, last round. Who is the bowler? Who's throwing? Who's throwing? Dibs? No? You want to throw again? All right, starting from the top. Ooh, I think that was this one. Okay, look what it is. Look at your terms. Decide what you're going to go for. And on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Trinomial.
I heard a lot of trinomial, which is correct. What else could it be? Expression. What else could it be? Quadratic. Check if what you all said. Did everybody say trinomial? You're crazy. All right, let's look at our point totals. Total? 7. 5. 6. 6. 5. 4. Nice. The winner is with 7. What's your team name again? Got it.
Grinches.
The Grinches. Give them a round of applause. That was really wimpy. Give them a round of applause. Come on. Woo! Still needed a little more to it, but it's Tuesday. All right, here we go. We got 6. 5. Okay, give me a thumbs up, sideways down for this lesson. Straightforward, easy, good, good. All right, let's see. That's all. I'll just say goodbye.